that we were asked to solve was BWXT worked with us and they wanted to optimize their processing techniques for a near net shaped zirconia part. Through this injection molding process, you have zirconia, which is the main body of it, it's the ceramic, and then you also have a number of polymers that are within the ceramic. So you need to get rid of these polymers in order to have your optimized geometry at the very end. At different stages, at different temperatures, at different ramp rates, you get more loss of polymer than others. So this benefits BWXT because they can then, using this ramp and this simulated project, you can determine how much polymer is being lost from different ramp rates. Finally, we needed to make our zirconia part without the polymer in it and then reduce the geometry so there's no pores. So finally, our conclusion is we saw that through our raw samples, which are really easy to break, they're really small. These are very small. We had to work on a very small scale. And then through the end, we got to our sintered samples, which are really hard to break. You can't really break these, like as much as like weight I can put on it, it's not gonna break. And so we densified all of them through our raw solvent debinding, fully debinding, and then sintering process. And then we finished up all of our processing, all of our optimization, and found that we could have a optimized solvent debinding process, a simulated thermal debinding process, and then master sintering curves in order to help BWXT. Since we had to work with samples that we did not create, they were proprietary, so they're from BWXT, we had to wait on them to get all of our samples. So we had to start doing our experiments over a month into this semester, so that kind of put like a hard time stamp on when we could actually start. So that was very difficult. There was also issues with some of our machines. They were down or people just had to use them, so we had limited like time, but we made it work, we did it. Our industrial liaison was very hard on us. He was we love him dearly, he was awesome, but he treated us like his employees. Like he didn't treat us like students. And I was kind of like thinking he was gonna give us some slack, but he really didn't. He was like, this is the real world, you gotta act like it's the real world. So that kind of surprised me, but it was very, very, very helpful. And then our faculty mentor also helped us through the whole step, every single process. Even like 2 days ago, she was like, oh, do you guys want me to help you with this data? Like, I'll do it for you. Like, we'll do this all together. And she was so helpful. And so I was kind of worried, like, it'd just kind of be up to us and we'd do everything and like figure it out yourself. But everyone was just so helpful and really wanted us to do the best. And so that was really great.